Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Health app. This stores emergency info accessible from the lock screen. Tap your profile icon in the top right, then choose Medical ID and hit Edit to make changes. Add your basic medical details first so first responders see allergies and medications. Once done with basics, move on to adding an emergency contact. The phone links these contacts to Emergency SOS for instant access. Make sure Location Services is enabled for accuracy. You'll tap Add Emergency Contact and pick someone from your contacts list. This ensures a real number is used. Choose the correct relationship label so responders know who the person is, and double-check the phone number and country code for international travel. Once the contact is selected, the iPhone will store it in your medical ID and link it to Emergency SOS so it can be notified during an emergency. Make sure to tap Done to save every change before exiting. Complete the process by enabling Show when locked so anyone can view your medical ID without unlocking the phone. This is crucial for first responders. Test Emergency SOS with a trusted contact so you confirm notifications and location sharing work as expected. If the notification fails or medical ID doesn't appear, check Contacts and Health app permissions in Settings, ensure emergency contacts are correctly formatted, and install any pending iOS updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.